Hey everybody, it's Diane Naylor from Naylor & Naylor, Keller Williams Seneca. I'm here today to show you one of my listings at 214 Holly Avenue, Clemson, South Carolina. It's only 1.5 miles to Clemson University and 1.5 miles to the historic town of Pendleton. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, just short of 1,600 square feet. It has a metal roof and a circular driveway. It's got the original hardwood floors throughout, and the updates include granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and 2 updated bathrooms. So why don't we go inside and take a peek? So you've seen the house. This house is priced at $379,000. So why don't you give me a call to schedule your appointment? It's Naylor & Naylor, Diane Naylor, 864-650-2476. I'm going to be waiting for your call.